Create wings in Zbrush. Create a circle and enlarge it until it looks like a rocket, and then make it look more or less like the shape of a feather. Using the Zbrush tool, you can create a polygroup in the center so that it looks like the center of a feather. Cool. Now with the gizmo, click on the gear and use Bend Curve to give the desired shape to the feather. And make sure you don't have any masks on the object, otherwise it won't work properly. Once you are happy with the shape, create a mask in the center on each side of the feather. Using the standard brush with the Zbrush Alpha or one of your preference, create details to make it look like a feather. Don't make perfect lines. Nothing is perfect in nature. If necessary, use the Decimation Master tool to reduce the number of polygons in the object. With the Array Mesh tool, adjust the number of copies on the X-axis and the rotation on the Y-axis so that it is not non-symmetrical. Almost ready. Once you are happy with the mesh array, also think about the size of the wing you want to create. Now you activate the gizmo and with the Bend Curve tool again, give the final shape to your wing. With Bend Curve active, you can adjust the amount of adjustment points. With these points, we can adjust the rotation, position, and size of each one separately, adding more or less points to facilitate the adjustment of the object. When you are satisfied with the result in Bend Curve, duplicate the object, adjust the gizmo to the beginning of the object, and decrease its size to create the overlap with the feathers. You can create as many layers of feather as you want. I did it with 3 layers, but it depends on your creativity. Put all the layers you created together and you're done. If you wish, you can use the Auto Groups tool to separate each feather into a different polygroup. This way we can mask each feather individually to make some final adjustments if necessary. And finally, it's ready, remembering that after finishing you can still make adjustments with the Move tool or any other tool you want. Using mirror and weld, you will have the wings on both sides. remembering that it works from left to right. That's it, friends. If you liked this simple tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.